going to be working together today to present this information for you guys.
Today we had an opportunity to do a workshop with local business owners and nonprofit leaders about what it takes to be a story-driven business or a story-driven organization.
For our nonprofit, every time I go out to talk to people, whether it's donors or churches or different organizations, it's all about telling the story. And I think everybody can learn to do everything better. And so this was an awesome opportunity to come and learn how to tell the story of our nonprofit better when we go out from here.
Everyone's shouting for your attention. So how do you stand out?
We go in and we describe a framework for how to build your messages, build your stories, how to communicate to your potential customers, clients, or donors or volunteers when it comes to nonprofit agencies.
With social media on how we can market our flowers and reach audiences that we hadn't been able to reach before.
You actually want to load the video within Facebook.
We work with companies, teaching them similar format and doing some consulting with them. It's normally a 3 to 4 hour consulting session where we work through some of these items, and a lot of times that costs around $5,000 for that session.
In Facebook, they might be more apt for infographics.
If it wasn't for them putting this on, we could not have afforded to attend this training.
You can't let them change your North Star.
With the partnership of our company with Rebel Pilgrim Creative Agency and Ohio University Southern, and next week Shawnee's going to be involved. We're able to bring that to folks in the tri-state at no cost to them, and I think that's a great thing.
And the benefit to the community for OU Southern to put this on and offer it up to the general public, to anybody who wanted to attend, is just tremendous. Honestly, every single business in the tri-state here would have benefited from being here at this training. This was professional training that we were getting from people who are in the business of marketing and helping people tell their stories better.
I still make myself count to 10 Mississippi, actually, when we're shooting with clients.
Every nonprofit, every business, I would encourage all of them to attend these seminars that you all put on.
I consume my content different in Twitter than I do Facebook or any of the others.
If they're looking to boost their social media, get word out about their business, their group, nonprofit, whatever it is, I recommend that everyone sign up and come and take the class. It's not a waste of time at all.
Today it was a lot of us delivering information, but it was also us listening to them and listening to each other, and everybody can grow from what everybody else, learning from what everybody else is doing.